Hi and welcome to a new video from Mr. Hopper Hop. Today we will know about farm animals. And Old MacDonald is here to show his farm. So, let's get started.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O. With a here and a there, here a there a everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a pig, E-I-E-I-O. With a here and a there, here a there a everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a dog, E-I-E-I-O. With a here and a there, here a there a everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some ducks, E-I-E-I-O. With a here and a there, here a there a everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some sheep, E-I-E-I-O. With a here and a there, here a there a everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
Before we start to learn about farm animals, do you know what is a farm? A farm is a special place where farmers grow plants and raise animals.
Hi, I am a farmer. And my name is Old MacDonald. Let me show you my farm today. Do you know what is a barn? A barn is a cozy shelter for farm animals like cows, horses, and chickens. It's like their special house where they sleep, eat, and stay safe from the weather. Now let's learn about farm animals.
Can you guess this farm animal? That is correct. It's a cow.
A cow is a friendly and gentle animal found on the farm. It gives us milk, goes moo, and loves to eat grass all day long.
Do you know how does a cow moo? Can you guess this farm animal? You are right. It's a sheep.
A sheep is a fluffy animal with soft wool that keeps them warm. They go baa! And their wool can be used to make cozy sweaters and blankets.
Do you know how does a sheep say? Can you guess this farm bird? That is correct. It's a hen.
A hen is a female chicken that lays eggs. It goes cluck. Hen helps us have delicious eggs for breakfast.
Do you know how does a hen cluck? guess this animal? You are right. It's a pig.
A pig is a cute and pink animal found on the farm. It loves to roll in mud to keep cool and enjoys eating yummy treats like vegetables and fruits.
Guess, how does the pig say? Can you guess this animal? Correct. It's a horse.
A horse is a magnificent and strong animal with 4 legs that can run really fast. It loves to gallop and goes neigh.
Do you know how does the horse neigh? Who is this animal? Can you guess? You are correct. It's a goat.
A goat is a playful and curious animal with 2 pointy horns on its head. It loves to climb and eat grass and leaves.
Do you know how does a goat bleat? I love this bird. Can you guess its name? You are right. It's a duck.
A duck is a cute and friendly bird that loves to swim in ponds and waddle on land. It goes quack and has webbed feet that help it paddle through the water.
Do you know how does a duck quack? This is one of my favorite animals. Do you know its name? Correct. It's a dog.
A farm dog is a loyal and helpful animal that protects the farm and its animals. It loves to play fetch, wag its tail, and is a great friend to farmers and other animals on the farm.
Do you know how does a dog bark?
That was the end of this video. Hope you liked it. For more such videos, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon for any notifications. Till next time. Bye.